Just a few days ago, I visited the happiest place on earth, Disneyland, where they're celebrating 100 years of Disney animation magic. It's incredible to think that some of the most iconic stories we still love today began with just a pencil and a piece of paper all those years ago. On display was a drawing table like the ones early animators used, where talented artists spent hour after hour sketching characters the world had never seen before. What they created with that simple setup was nothing short of a game changer. Before I tell you more about my visit to Disneyland and give you some insights, let me ask you to please subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to check out all the resources I've created in the description below to help you learn how to elevate your videos. Okay, let me get back to the happiest place on earth. Imagine sitting at a desk with just a pencil, a piece of paper, and your imagination. In front of you is a blank page, but with endless possibilities. This was the reality for Disney's early animators, where the simplest tools held the potential for extraordinary creations. Every stroke, every line on that page slowly brought to life characters the world would fall in love with. But it wasn't instant magic, it was a process filled with revisions, erasers, and above all, vision. So, as video creators, what can you and I learn from these animation pioneers? How can we bring the same level of craftsmanship to the stories we bring to life? Let me give you some essential steps to help you get to the creative big leagues. You'll probably want to write these down. Number 1, start with wonder and imagination. Like those early Disney animators, start with wonder. Dream big. Don't hold back on ideas, no matter how out there they may seem. What's your Mickey Mouse moment waiting to happen? Imagine something that didn't exist before. Number 2, map out your vision. Walt Disney pioneered storyboarding. For every second of film, they planned thousands of sketches. So lay out your vision before you begin shooting or editing. Story map it, outline it, see the journey from start to finish. Number 3, refine relentlessly. Those animators used their erasers as much as they used their pencils. Don't be afraid to revise your work. Sometimes greatness is found by simplifying and refining your clips. Polish your work, seek feedback, and make improvements until every frame and soundbite moves the story forward. Number 4, commit to the process. Bringing a story to life takes time, and the creative process isn't always glamorous. Stay committed even when it feels tedious or challenging. Each step you take adds to your growth as a creator. Number 5, embrace the tools you have. Early animators only had pencils, paper, and erasers. You and I have incredible tools today, but it's the creativity behind them that matters most. Start with what you have and let your ideas drive the technology, not the other way around. Number 6, master attention to detail. Every frame matters. Whether you're framing a shot or editing a sequence, treat each detail with the care that early animators brought to their sketches. It's this precision that elevates good to great. Number 7, develop patience and persistence. Those animators redrew their characters thousands of times until they moved and breathed. This is the same kind of persistence we need as video creators to revisit, refine, and polish our work until it truly resonates. And finally, number 8, commit to craftsmanship. Animation is a meticulous craft, and so is storytelling. When we approach our work as craftsmen, we set a standard that goes beyond average, aiming for excellence every step of the way. Make every cut, every soundbite, and every transition intentional. Getting to the creative big leagues is all about using what you have to tell wow stories people talk about. Combining imagination with persistence, revising until it shines, and always reaching for wonder. Whatever project you're working on right now, dive into the details and commit to making it your best work. All these Disney animators had was a pencil and a piece of paper, but they kept sketching until they created Disney magic. Use what you have to create something incredible today. Let me help you turn your blank page into a story worth sharing with the world. Start by checking out my free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop and online master course in the description below. Let's go on a creative journey together. Thanks for watching.